Hey guys, in this short lecture of thermodynamics, I'm going to discuss about importance and limitation of thermodynamic in a chemical processes or in any chemical reaction. Now, what is the importance of thermodynamic in a particular chemical reaction? So, chemical thermodynamics. I'm talking about chemical thermodynamics. So, chemical thermodynamics is concerned with the following questions. You have to keep things in mind when you study thermodynamics. Okay, what thermodynamics is all about, what it is concerned. So as from the previous lecture, you have studied that thermodynamics is nothing but the flow of heat, conversion of one form of energy into another form of energy, and all other forms of energy can finally convert into heat energy and heat into other form. Plus, we can also get work from the flow of heat by using matter. So matter to work, heat flow, वो हम लोग ने पढ़ा है. So from that, we can summarize that the entire thermodynamic is concerned about whether reactants will react or not under given set of condition. Whether the reactant will react or not under given set of condition, under given set of temperature, pressure, volume, number of moles, whether the reactant will react or not. It means that thermodynamic is concerned with the feasibility of the reaction, with the spontaneity of the reaction. क्या ये reaction ये condition में होगा कि नहीं होगा? ये thermodynamic का main interest है. That is the feasibility or spontaneity. And spontaneity is nothing but things which can take place on accord by itself. So क्या ये reaction particular condition में feasible है, spontaneous है ये process कि नहीं है? That is the first concern of thermodynamics. The second concern of thermodynamics is that the flow of energy. Okay, the flow of heat, the flow of energy in a chemical reaction, the work obtained from the chemical reaction. That is also a concern part of thermodynamics. And third thing, to find out the concentration, the amount of reactant and products when a particular chemical reaction reaches at equilibrium. So equilibrium पे आने के बाद में what is their chemical concentration, and you know that you can get it by applying law of mass action. So वो भी एक thermodynamic का application. So thermodynamic deals with the study of feasibility of the reaction. क्या reaction given set of condition में होगा कि नहीं होगा? It talks about the energy flow and the work energy concept with respect to a system. Okay. Now, it is also concerned in thermodynamic processes, it is also concerned whether in a given set, the reactants will react to form a product and reach to an equilibrium state. So at that state, what is the concentration of reactant and product? So feasibility of the reaction under given set of condition, concentration of the reactant and product before they reaches to equilibrium. Third, it deals with the energy flow and the work energy concept. Fourth, it talks about only the macroscopic property. That is the property which is related to the bulk system like pressure, volume, temperature. It does not talk about microscopic properties like atom, electrons, no. Macroscopic properties of the system. And fifth, it helps us to deduce many laws of thermodynamics like law of mass action. Thermodynamics से आया. फिर आपने solution colligative किया in that depression of freezing point where you say delta TF is directly proportional to molality according to thermodynamics, and also the derivation of elevation of boiling point delta TB is equal to KB into small m molarity. Again वो thermodynamic. So went of laws of lowering of vapor pressure, ये सब thermodynamics से derive हुए law है. The phase rule thermodynamics से derive हुए law है. So these are the application of thermodynamics. These are the importance of thermodynamics when you study. So what are the limitations of thermodynamics? So limitation, the first limitation of thermodynamics, it does not deal with the microscopic properties. मतलब no idea about electron, proton, neutron. उसके बारे में discussion नहीं होता. Second, in a given set of condition, thermodynamics सिर्फ क्या बताने वाला है कि whether the reaction will take place or not. लेकिन वो reaction fast है, slow है, reaction का mechanism क्या है, through which direction it is proceeding, वो सारे mechanisms और rate of the reaction ये thermodynamic नहीं बताता. So thermodynamics do not talk about the speed of the reaction, does not talk about the mechanism of the reaction. अब reaction one step में हो सकता है, two step में हो सकता है, any step. तो mechanism के बारे में बात नहीं करेगा, and it only deals with the macroscopic property, not with the microscopic property. मतलब मीथेन है, उसका ऑक्सीडेशन करोगे, कंबशन करोगे फॉर एग्जांपल, सो यू विल गेट अ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर H2O. But what is the structure of methane? Thermodynamics are not interested in this. How the reaction taking place, कितना स्पीड में रिएक्शन हो रहा है, ये थर्मोडायनेमिक को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. ओके, so I'll write down here all the importance and limitation of thermodynamics. So if you talk about the importance of thermodynamics, the first importance of thermodynamic is it can only predict feasibility, or you can say spontaneity of process under given set of condition, जो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था अभी. Whether the reaction is feasible or not and the given set of temperature, pressure, volume, given set of condition, जो भी condition है उसके अंदर ये reaction होगा कि नहीं होगा, वो thermodynamics हम लोगों को बताएगा. Okay, that is the most important point. Second thing, helps to predict the extent of reaction before it reaches to equilibrium. Okay, so we can write down helps to predict extent of reaction before it reaches equilibrium, and also concentration of reactant and products at equilibrium. Third, the flow of energy, the work energy concept, the energy change during chemical reaction. तो मतलब reaction exothermic है, endothermic है, the energy change during the chemical reaction, and the work energy concept. Fourth, it also helps us to deduce different laws. Okay, so it helps us to deduce some important law, like law of mass action हो गया, फिर उसके बाद में Van't laws, Van't law of lowering of vapor pressure, then depression in freezing point, elevation in boiling point, elevation, then the distribution law, phase rule, etc. So all these laws can be deduced by it, but as I said, it allows, as what I said, it allows the it allows to understand whether in a particular given condition whether the reaction will take place or not. But what will be the speed of the reaction, what will be the rate of the reaction, or the mechanism of the reaction, ये सब thermodynamics हमको नहीं बताता. So, and also it does not deal with the microscopic property, it deals with the macroscopic properties. It is not interested, thermodynamics is not interested in the structure, the electronic configuration, okay, how lone pair bond pairs are associated with the particular atoms, how the electron transition take place from lower energy to higher. It is not interested in that during the bond formation, because during bond formations the electrons are being exchanged, so there will be a mechanism with respect to those reactions. There will be a calculation of rate in chemical kinetics of a particular reaction. So thermodynamic is not interested in all these properties. उसका सिर्फ क्या बोलना है, रिएक्शन होगा कि नहीं होगा, इक्विलिब्रियम पे रीच होगा तब उसका कंसंट्रेशन कितना है रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट का, एनर्जी चेंज क्या हो रही है ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन, वर्क मैक्सिमम है कि मिनिमम है, डिफरेंट लॉज जो उस पे निकाले गए। तो ये सब चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है थर्मोडायनामिक के लिए। सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द लिमिटेशन, राइट डाउन द लिमिटेशन, फ्यू लिमिटेशन ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, राइट इट डाउन। I'll clear this up. Now, limitation of thermodynamic में the first limitation of thermodynamic that it does not talk about the mechanism of the reaction. So no mechanism of the reaction cannot be obtained by using chemical thermodynamics. So no mechanism of the reaction. Second will be the speed. So I'll write down here. The first point, no mechanism of the reaction. Why? Because thermodynamics depends only on thermodynamics variables depends, thermodynamics depends, variables depends only on initial and final state of the system. So they are not interested in the mechanism. मतलब उनका सिर्फ यही बोलना है कि whether the reaction will take place or not under given condition and what is the energy change during the process. The initial and final state में energy change क्या हो रहा है वो पता लगा रहा है. Mechanism नहीं कर सकते. And second, they cannot find the rate of the reaction. So no information about rate, or you can say speed of the reaction. Also, third point, that it deals only thermodynamics. Thermo is for only for macroscopic properties of a system. And macroscopic properties with respect to the bulk properties of a system. Macroscopic properties are basically the bulk properties. The bulk properties like it gives an idea about temperature, pressure, volume, etc. But no info about microscopic properties. Now, microscopic properties like structure of atoms, electron, protons, like structure of a molecule in a chemical reaction, about electrons, about protons, about neutrons, etc. इसके बारे में कोई discussion नहीं है. So these are the limitation of thermodynamics. Now, speed find करना है तो chemical kinetics से, mechanism निकालना है तो organic chemistry mechanism के लिए आ जाएगा, वो डील कर सकते हैं हम लोग. और फॉर वेरियस प्रोसेसेस इन इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में हम लोग देख सकते हैं, देयर आर डिफरेंट स्टेप्स इन मेकिंग अ पर्टिकुलर केमिकल्स. सो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट केस. वहां पर हम इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में वो स्टडी करते हैं. रेट फाइंड करना है, स्पीड फाइंड करना है तो हम केमिकल काइनेटिक्स के बारे में पता लगाते हैं. अगर हम लोगों को कोई सॉल्यूशंस बनाने हैं एट अ पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन तो वी टॉक अबाउट दिस सॉल्यूशन इन कोलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, कोई सॉलिड का स्ट्रक्चर निकालना है तो सॉलिड स्टेट केमिस्ट्री होता है. So thermodynamics only concerned with the initial and final state of a system. मतलब initially इतना reactant था, finally इतना product बना तो इतना reactant बचा है. That's the only thing is concerned about. Okay, and the energy change with the reaction. Reaction exothermic है, heat absorb हुआ है, heat release हुआ है, all those things. But it does not deal with the microscopic properties, does not deal with the mechanism, and does not deal with the speed of the reaction. इसमें thermodynamics के लिए कोई study नहीं. Okay. So this was the importance and limitation of thermodynamics in your studies. Okay then, bye students, take care.